A health crisis, economic collapse and extreme restrictions on everyday life. In this enduring pandemic, governments across the world have had to deal with a trifecta of unprecedented challenges simultaneously. So have leaders in Europe been up to the task? In partnership with polling company Redfield and Wilton Strategies, Euronews sought the views of people in 4 countries. On the overall handling of the pandemic, only in Britain do a majority think their government is taking the right measures. Opinions are more evenly divided in Italy and Germany, but 58% of the French have a negative view of the national response. That's perhaps reflected in their feelings about President Macron, with only a quarter of the population approving or strongly approving his performance. In contrast, Mario Draghi, Angela Merkel and Boris Johnson enjoy much more support, with the German Chancellor scoring highest with a 48% approval rating. From the beginning, the EU has struggled to find a common approach to tackling the pandemic, a fact that hasn't gone unnoticed among respondents. In all 4 countries, the prevailing view is that member states acted separately, particularly in Italy, which complained of scant help from EU allies when it was first hit. In fact, the view that states acted together is supported by more people in ex-member Britain than in the others. Paradoxically, on the issue of the EU's overarching role in the crisis, more Italians think Brussels helped their country than didn't help. Attitudes are evenly split in France, but a small majority of Germans feel the bloc didn't help them. Britons also had a negative view, though their country was outside the EU's coordinated response. The greatest single weakness for the EU has been around vaccines. The rollout has been slow to get going and has suffered supply shortfalls. That may have fueled a pronounced scepticism about EU membership. The idea that the pandemic has strengthened arguments in favour of the Union is very much the minority view in each country. More than 40% in Germany, Italy and France think it's weakened the case for the bloc's existence. We've a long way to go yet, but leaders in Brussels may be hoping that Europe's vaccination programme will eventually deliver a more positive outlook from their citizens. Neil O'Reilly, Euronews.